Hello. Welcome back to Graphics Card Repair course. Today I will show you the actual parts in practical mode that we discussed on previous videos. My name is Naj Norzeb. If you are new to my channel, please hit subscribe and like my videos. Your support is my strength to make this course possible. Okay, let's go on to our video. This is an old video card. As you see, this is a PCI Express type. It is an MTech brand. This one has no additional PCI power connector. Look at the color of the PCB. It is a green PCB which is used on early GPUs. This is the fan. And this is the heatsink. Now let's check the ports. This pink one is the DVI port. The blue one is the VGA port. The last one that's shaped circle is the S-Video. And this metal is the I/O bracket. And this is the motherboard. All of the electronic components are mounted in it. So this is an example of an old GPU and its basic parts. Now let's go to another sample. This one is a modern GPU. It is a PCI Express 2. This are the fans. It is dual fans. And this is the shroud. Shrouds of modern GPUs are getting bigger and bigger. As you see under this shroud and fans, the silver color under is the heatsink. Now this is the backplate. It protects the motherboard inside. Let's now go to the ports. It has a DVI port, a HDMI port, and a display port. And this is the I/O bracket. As you see, it has an extra PCI power connector. It is 6-pin. This card is consuming more than 75 watts. So this is the end of our video. I just shown you the basic parts of GPU in practical way. Join me again next time for the next video course. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.